So hi children, so in the previous video we discussed up to 8 questions, no? So in this video we are going to discuss the questions from 9 onwards. So what is the 9th question here they given? What is the least number? What is the least number which is a perfect square? Which is a perfect square and also contains 650 as a factor. Also contains 650 as a factor. So first say that which number is that? Perfect square. So first that one we need to find out, no? So first say that here through options we have to check that 33,800 is the first number. 33,800 is the first number. So to this number first we have to find that square root. Okay, so 1 months 1 and here 2, just jot down that 38. So next double of 2 is double of 1 is 2 and here which number is possible? 29 into 9. 9 9s 81, 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 8 is 36, sorry 18 plus 8 is 26, so 261. So that is more than 238. So that's why here 28 into 8. 8 8 is 64, 8 2 16 plus 6 is 22. So this is sufficient. So take here 8 and here 8, 224. So 8 minus 4 is 4, 3 minus 2 is 1. Just drop down that next two numbers, 1400. Next, the double of 18 is 36. Double of 18 is 36. Next here which number we are writing? The same number we should write here also, no? So now here take that possible numbers. So 36. 36 and here which number? Just try from that 9 onwards. 9 9s 81. Okay, 9 6 54 and here 8 which is equals to 62. Yes or no? 62. 9 3 is 27, 27 plus 6 is equal to 33. So this is 2 more. Okay, so that's why here 3 6 5 into 5, check this one. 5 5 is 25, 5 6 is 30 plus 2 32, 5 3 is 15 plus 3 which is equals to 18. This is also 2 more. So that's why check for that. 36 into 3 into 3. 3 3 is 9, 3 6 are 18, 3 3 is 9 plus 1 10. This is very less. So check that 364 into 4. 4 4 16, 4 6 24 plus 1 25, 4 3 is 12 plus 2 14. So here we are getting 1456. 1456 is also more than that 1400. So children, by observing this one, here we can say that here 364 into 4 is equal to 1456, not possible. So that's why here into 3. 363 into 3 is equal to 1089. So here reminder something we will get, this is not equal to 0. Reminder not equal to 0 means the given number is not a perfect square. Okay, so that's why this is the wrong option. Okay, and second one, here this number ending with 10. Okay, any number ending with 10 means that is not a perfect square. Okay, so here if the number is a perfect square, that number should be ends with even number of zeros. Even number of zeros, then at that cases we can check that that is a perfect square or not. But here we are having only 1 0. So that is not possible. So that's why this is also wrong option. Clear? Next. So let us check that third one. So here third one, I think so no need to check in this way. Why? Because that is 169 is there. Okay, just left the 2 zeros. Here we are having 169. So by seeing 169 we have that idea that is the square of perfect square of 13. So it's a square root is 13 square. So 169 is 13 square. 169 is 13 square. So we know that 16,900 is 130 square. That's it. 130 into 130. Again you will get it as 16,900. Okay. Here in that square root 10 is there means in it's a perfect square. How many zeros will be there? 2 zeros will be there. Okay. For example, in that square root 2 zeros are there. In it's a perfect square. How many zeros will be there? 4 zeros will be there. Okay, or else here in that square root 3 zeros are there, then in its perfect square how many zeros will be there? Here 3 there means 6 zeros will be there. Okay, just a double of this number of zeros. Okay, so in this way easily we can say that this is a perfect square. So there is a possibility to that is the answer. Next, another number is there 676, and here 676 we can write it as a perfect square of 676. Is it a perfect square of 26? Once check that. 26 into 6, 6 is 36, sorry, 26 into 26, 6 is 36, 6 2 is 12, 12 plus 3 15, 2 6 is 12, 2 2 is 4 plus 1 5. Okay, 6 7 6. So this is the square root of, okay, so its square root is 26. So 26 square is equal to 676. Understand? And here again we are having 2 zeros, no? So 67,600 we can write it as a 260 square. 260 square. Understand, ma? So that is also a perfect square. Now what they are asking here, what is the least number which is a perfect square? So here two numbers are perfect squares. Out of these two, we need to find that least number, least perfect square means which one is the smaller than those two? This one only, no? 16,900 is the smallest number than that 67,600. Okay, and here one more condition is there. What is that? And its a factor should be 650. Its a factor should be 650. So it is satisfying or not? Just check that. Okay, so what is the number first? 16900 divided by 650. It is a factor means that number should be exactly divided by 650. So 0 and 0 gets cancelled. Now here 1690 by 65. So cancels by here 5. Okay, 5 ones 5, 5 3s 15, 13 5 65. 5 3s 15 and here 19 is there, 5 3s 15 and here 15, no, so 40, 5 8s 40, 338. So any other cancellations, ma? Yes, 13 months and here 13 2s 26. 13 2s 26. So 26 and here left over 78 is there. Okay, so 13 6 78. 13 into 6 is equal to 78. So here 26 is the quotient. So that's why here this is a 650 is a factor of 16,900 or not? Yes, that is a factor. And is it a factor of 67,600? Just check that. So here 650 is a factor, that one also satisfying, that is a perfect square and 650 is a factor. Next check that second number. 67600 divided by 650. So 0 and 0 gets cancelled. Next 13, okay, see here by 5s. 5 ones 5 and here 5 3s. Understand? 5 13s 65 and here divided by 5. So 5 ones 5. 17, 5 3s 15, 26, 5 5s 25, 10, 5 2s 10. Understand? So here 13 months and here 13 4s. So 104 times. 13 4s which is equals to, yes, 13 4s is equal to 52 only, no? So that's why 13 into 104 is equals to 1352. So here 650 is a factor of this number also. So two conditions also satisfying. These two are the perfect squares and 650 is a factor of these two numbers also. Okay, so that's why again you have to go for that question. Here what is the least number they are asking? So here you have to go for that least number than those two. Okay, so which is the least number here? 16,900 is the least number. So that's why what is the answer, ma? Here 16,900. Option C is the correct one. Understand? Yes. So let us see the next question, 10th one. Yes, the square root of 1,37,641. 1,37,641 37,641. So to this number you have to take that square root. You have to find that square root. So 2, 2 and here 2 numbers. So nearest number is 4 4s are 16, more than this one. So 3 3s are 9. Okay. So here the leftover 13 minus 9. So 3 plus 1 4. And here just drop down that 76 here. And the double of 3 is 6. Double of 3 is 6. Next, which number we are writing here? The same number should be right here, no? So here 6 is there. So 6 means how many possibilities are there, ma? 4, and in the same way another possibility is 6. 4 and 6. So 64 into 4. 4 4s are 16, 4 6 are 24 plus 1 25. So 256 is very less than that 476. So that's why go for that 6. 66 into 6. 6 6 are 36. Again 6 6 are 36 plus 3 is equal to 39. 396. Okay, still one more chance is there. Just check that. So 67 into 7. 7 7s 49. 7 6 are 42 plus 4 is equal to 46. Why? Because here directly we are not getting that one as a perfect square. Okay, so that's why at that cases you have to go for that 67 into 7. Okay, which is equals to 469. Now 16 minus 9 is equal to here 7. And here you will get it as 6 only, no? 6 minus 6 is 0. Understand? 7 and here 41. 741. So here the double of 37. So 37 into 2 is equals to 74. 2 7s 14, 2 3s is 6 plus 1 7. So 74. 74. Again same numbers we have to write here. So children, just observe that 74, here also 74 is there. Okay, so if you take here 1, 741 into 1 is equal to 741. So the remainder is 0. Remainder is 0. So that is a perfect square and its square root is 371. Its perfect square is, its square root is 371. So which option is correct, ma, here? That is 371. Option D is correct here. Okay. So children, say that next one. 11th question, see here. The number of digits in the square root of, number of digits they are asking. So here, what is the given number? 7728,400. 77,28,400. That is the given number. Okay. So to this number, its square root is having how many digits? Square root is having how many digits? So here n is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So n is equal to 7. 7 is even or odd? 7 is odd. So at that cases, what is the formula, ma, to find that number of digits in a square root? If that n is odd, then the formula is n plus 1 by 2. If n is even, then the formula is n by 2. N is even, then the formula is n by 2. If n is odd, then the formula is n plus 1 by 2. So which is equals to 7 plus 1 by 2. So 8 by 2 is equals to 4. So in its square root, how many digits are there? 4 digits are there. Okay, 4 digit number, it's a multiplication. After it's a square, then you will get that 7 digit or 7 digit is perfect square you will get. Okay, so which option is correct, ma, here? Option C, that is 4. Okay, and one more question is there from this concept. So what is that? The square root of, again same, see here, 2, 9, 888, 089. Okay, so 2,98,88,089 is the given number. Understand? So to this number we need to find that square root. Again, by using that division method, see here. 2, 2, here 2, here 2. Understand? So 29, it is not a perfect square. It's the nearest perfect square and less than 29 is 5. So 5 is 25. Okay, so the leftover 29 minus 25 is 4. Just drop down that 88. Next, double of 5 is 10. So 10, and here same numbers we have to keep, no? So 8 means that is more. So 104 into 4. 4 4s are 16, 4 1s 4. Okay, so still some other number is existing here. So that's why 105 into 5. 5 5s 25, 5 1s are 5. Not satisfying. So that's why at that cases you have to go for that 104 into 4. So 104 into 4, which is equals to here 416. Now here the remainder, 8 minus 6 is 2, 8 minus 1 is 7, so 72. Okay, so next drop down that next number, that is 80. Understand? So see here, so 54 2s is equals to 108. 54 2 times is equals to 108. So 108. Again, which number is existing? See here, 108. And here if you will take the nearest number as this, 1086 into 6. Just check this one. Okay, why? Because here 7 is there, no? So what is the possibility? Just that one only we are checking here. So 6 6 is 36. 6 8 so 48 plus 3 is equal to 49, 50, 51. Okay, 6 0 0 plus 5 5, 6 1 6. So 6516, that is less than 7280. So that's why check that one more number, 1087 into 7. 7 7 so 49. Okay, so 7 8 so 56 plus 4 is equals to 60. 700 plus 6, 7 1 7. So 7609, that is more than 7280. So that's why here better to go for that 6. So 1086 into 6 is equal to 6516. 6516. So here 10 minus 6 is 4. 7 minus 1 is 6. And here 12 minus 5 is 7. 764. Just drop down that next set of numbers, that is 89. 89. What is the double of? What is the double of 546? So 546 into 2 is equal to 2 6 is 12, 2 4 is 8 plus 1 9, 2 5 is 10. Okay, so 1092. 1092. Still one more number required here. Okay, so which number? Through that options also you can go that, or else if you want to check, just check that. So just I'm checking this one, 5 4 6 7, no, so just I'll check that 7. So 1092, 7 into 7. 7 7s 49, 7 2s 14 plus 4 18, 7 9 63 plus 1 64, 7 0 0 plus 6 6, 7 1 7. So again we will get the same number, no? Okay, so that's why here which number we have to place? That is 7. So 7 6 4 8 9, finally 0. Understand? So what is the square root ma here? That is 5467. 5467. For in these cases here option given means through that option we did that the last digit. If that option is not given, just you have to go for the checking method. Okay, checking process only. Okay, children. So these are the questions of what they given in that worksheet 2 from that squares and square roots. So up to here squares and square roots concept completed. So next we are having that cubes and cube roots. Okay, children. So we will discuss in that cubes and cube roots in that next video. Okay, thank you all.